Rat, intelligent, resourceful, adaptable, and quick-witted. Ox, strong, reliable, fair, and conscientious, a born leader. Tiger, brave, competitive, unpredictable, and self-confident. Rabbit, gentle, quiet, elegant, and alert, quick, skillful decision makers. Dragon, enthusiastic, confident, intelligent, and ambitious. Snake, wise, graceful, calm, and responsible. Horse, energetic, independent, impatient, and enjoy traveling. Goat, mild-mannered, shy, kind, and peace-loving, creative. Monkey, witty, intelligent, curious, and innovative. Rooster, observant, hardworking, resourceful, courageous, and talented. Dog, loyal, honest, kind, cautious, and prudent. Pig, compassionate, generous, diligent, and gentle. Which of the 12 Chinese zodiac animals are you? And which do you think resembles its real-life version the most? Share with us in the comments.